Hi everybody, it's Monday. And do you know what else starts with the letter M? Membership. Today is Membership Monday. Just a reminder about this membership program that I have launched for this channel to help keep it going. There are 3 ways in which you can do that, 3 different levels of support. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button. A big thank you to those who have already joined me. So excited to take this deeper journey with you through the world of ukulele and music. If you have not joined, would love to have you join me. Again, there are 3 levels of support. For those who join at the supporter and sustainer level, this Saturday I'm hosting my first members only Q&A. That's Saturday, February 25th at 11 a.m. Pacific. Really excited to dig a little deeper into some of those specific questions you might have. Maybe there's a video I've posted that you need a little bit of extra help with or some extra explanation, or something just generally related to your practice that you'd like some answers on. Happy to offer what's worked best for me and some tips for you to try out on your own in your practice. But again, you need to be a member to join me. Now, of course, if you are not able to offer anything at this time, please do not worry. I'm still going to be posting videos, not a problem. Just for those who have a little something extra, who want to throw those extra tips in the pot, so to speak, once a month. Really, really appreciate it. It does keep this channel going and keeps me working hard here for all of you. So thanks again. Hope you can join me. I hope to see most of you here this coming Saturday. Again, that's February 25th, 11 a.m. Pacific. Once you become a member, you can go ahead and check out the community tab of the channel's main page, and that'll have more information about how to submit your questions for the Q&A this Saturday. Thanks, everybody. Have a great week.